Hi friends, great morning and welcome to daily analysis. Friends, yesterday I mentioned that I was expecting a trending day, but in fact that didn't work. It was a sideways kind of day. And more of I was on a bullish side and the market was a sideways day, right? We all understood that the market opened above the previous day's high, which was around 6,531 level, and went up to 6,577 level. From there, all the way it came near to CPR and it took a support at a CPR, which is around 6,480 to 6,470, that 10 rupee gap, which I told you, it was almost a narrow CPR. And from there, it took a support, again went to near to resistance 1 and again came down, again took a support. So it was almost taking a support at the CPR range, right? And it was a sideways day, so there was nothing much movement happens, and option sellers could have made good money, right? Now let us see today's analysis. First, we will do analysis with Namex Crude. Friends, one thing still, I am not changing my view. I am not bearish. See, yesterday's candle, it's still showing that decision is pending, right? If you see, market went all the way to 79.80 and came down all the way to 78.26, and even it made a closing at $78.78, right? So you can see bigger wick and a small body. I don't know, people who attended yesterday's masterclass, they understand the importance of a wick and a body, how we need to analyze a wick and body, what is the psychology behind that. I have explained yesterday. So this is basically a decision pending kind of candle, right? There is no proper decision. So we need to actually wait for the trend. And again, you can see it exactly took a support near to 20 EMA, right? Today it opened slightly down, but it doesn't mean that it is the trend is changed. We need to see the pattern, then we will decide it, right? Now let us go and check what exactly our MCX code is telling. In daily chart, in MCX code, again, if you see, you can see a red candle was formed yesterday, right? It was a bearish candle, but it is not a trend decision-making candle, right? It was just a normal candle. There was a wick and a small body. So there is no proper decision, right? The trend has not changed, and it's above 20 EMA. And last 2 days, it was like a sideways kind of day. So we need to wait and watch for the proper trend, right? So as of now, the trend is pending, right? Whether crude is trying to make a bearish trend or crude want to go up, right? Only thing, as per the closing, since it's above 20 EMA, still I am not changing my trend, my view. Maybe it can be a bullish only, but we will see, and how we will analyze how the price is behaving. Now let us analyze 30-minute chart. Friends, 30-minute chart, when we analyze, first we need to understand the CPR range is a narrow CPR, right? It is not a wide CPR. It starts at 6,506 and it goes up to 6,570 or 18, right? So it's a very small narrow CPR, and so that indicate it can be a trending day, right? Again, it is giving us a hope that it can be a trending day. And when you analyze last 3 days pattern, you can understand that market was almost a sideways day. So today there can be a possibility of a trending day. Okay. So let us, for that we need to wait. Whenever the price behave or whenever the patterns are getting created, we will take action accordingly. Now, for me, the important level, one of the important level is previous day low, which is 6,407. And we have a weekly pivot, which is 6,398, which I have been talking in last 2-3 videos. And also we have a demand zone, 6,384, right? So if the crude is coming down, see, if you see, it's not a previous day's low. Previous day's low is already broken, 6,460. I'm talking day before yesterday's low, that swing low. So all this entire zone, 6,406 to 6,383 level, this zone is an important support zone for me, right? Even though it broke yesterday's low with the elephant candle, which is a pattern for us, which indicate it can go down. right? So maximum I feel from here it can come to the 6,400 or 6,385 level. From there it can take a support, right? Two reasons: one, trading much away from 20 EMA, and it is not near to CPR range, right? So if at all, if we are getting any pattern here of, with by a bullish signal, then it can go up, and up to CPR range we can wait it. And if it's break the CPR, that's 6,518 or that level, then it can go up to previous day's high, which is around 6,575, right? So in case if it breaks the 6,578, because there you may feel much more difficulty, because it has taken a couple of days the same level of resistance, right? Then it can go up to 6,650, 700 level, and it can go, right? For that, we need to wait and see the pattern. So friends, I am expecting it can take a support this level, but if this zone, which is 6,385 below, if it breaking with a good pattern, then it can come down to 6,304 level, and 6,000 even 209 also, right? So we need to be very careful if it breaking this zone. Otherwise, it can take a support and go up to the CPR range, which I already mentioned, 6,518 and 6,505, this range. From above breaking that, above we go to previous day's high, which is around 6,574.5 level. Then we have 6,600 and 700 level, right? So friends, that's all in this video. And being a Friday today, we are conducting actually a webinar at 7:30 p.m. called Superpower Trader, where I'm going to discuss more about psychology behind successful trading, how to do money management and all. So I want to invite all you for the masterclass, register for the masterclass. The link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.